takot sa iyong damdamin ipamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong mong tapang harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay.
Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, huwag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ng magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lupain ng kinabukasan. Sa pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw.
Let's wander the 100 islands of Pangasinan, 124 to be exact, each with their own hidden secrets to be explored. The islands are connected by the Lingayen Gulf, and bridges, and even zip lines that let you fly from one island to the next. Woohoo! There's hundreds of adventures to dive into when there's 100 islands to explore. And maybe even more to be had in your next virtual tour.
A part of our culture and beliefs is the religious commitment of the Filipino people. Our faith is unwavering even in the midst of the most challenging time. Guling came from an Ilocano word meaning to mark, smear, or make a sign. The distinctiveness and richness of the history of the Filipino culture is established as one of the most well-known worldwide. The Philippines boasts a great cultural heritage that has been handed down through the generations in addition to its abundance of natural resources.
When the Tirong tribemen attacked the early settlers, they were compelled to relocate eastward. They discovered neighbors in their view settlement location, now Batak Town. Their neighbors persuaded them to seek sanctuary at their place. Believing that the Tirongs were still a threat, the settlers begged off and boldly answered, "Makapaway kami," and the town was finally named Paway.
Located in the municipality of Paway, approximately 387 kilometers from Manila and 21 kilometers from the capital city of Lawag. St. Augustine Catholic Parish Church, popularly called as Paway Church.
In the province.
The Augustinians built Paway in 1593 to spearhead the spiritual conquest of Ilocos Norte. During the early years of Spanish administration, started by Augustinian friar Father Antonio Estavillo, he began building Paway Church in 1694 and finished it in 1894. Regarded as one of the UNESCO's World Heritage in recognition of its unique architectural style, which is a reinterpretation of European Baroque by Chinese and Philippine craftsmen. Its exterior displays Gothic affinities, wherein its gables showcase Chinese characteristics and the niches topping the walls imply Javanese influence, which only shows that the town's early settlers were engaged in active trade with other Eastern nations like China. The church was called the Earthquake Baroque because of its fortress-like structure with 24 enormous buttresses designed to withstand the devastating force of an earthquake.
Its thick walls were made of coral stone and brick. sealed with hard lime mortar. It was made, according to historians, by mixing sand and lime with molasses that had been simmered with mango leaves, leather, and rice straw for 2 nights.
History. According to the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, or NHCP, has completed the conservation of Poway Church exterior recently. Despite the pandemic, NHCP pushed through with the repairs of the Ilocos Landmarks exteriors, which began in the second quarter of 2019. The Philippines has several heritage churches scattered throughout the country, one of which is the Poway Church in Ilocos Norte. These churches are a symbol of our country's colonial history. However, some of the historical structures have been destroyed by ages, wars, and destructive disasters. Others have even collapsed. As a result of climate change, our heritage buildings are increasingly vulnerable to natural disasters. Typhoons, earthquakes, and extreme hot weather are just a few of the various climate changes that Poway Church has encountered. Due to climate change, historic structures are particularly prone to natural calamities. Taking action for this must be made to keep them from being destroyed. The church's roof is deteriorating due to age and heavy typhoons. Roof tiles were used at the time of construction. However, galvanized iron sheets have changed over the years and are currently used for roofing in their current form, supported by timber trusses. The main trusses are also supported by reinforced concrete columns, which replaced the original brick columns in the first half of the 20th century. Built brick columns that support the main roof trusses. Although they make some partial changes in its composition and appearance, they still preserve the heritage cultural identity of the Poway Church. These solutions make the structure adaptable to the modern time and present environment, preventing fast deterioration of the church. The addition of electric fans, CCTVs, speaker, fire extinguisher provides comfort, safety, and security purposes for the users. Regardless of the climate changes that we faces, we will continue and take part in promoting, conserving, and utilizing our cultural heritage.